time. Just in time, baby. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So today, little Nova is getting her lead test. Oh my God, I can't. It's like 7 in the morning. Yeah, you see my face? So this handsome guy, he gave me this. It's $10, a $10 gift card. So I didn't know him. He was in front of me at Dunkin'. Good morning. Yes, it's me.
There you go.
Can I get the long straw, please? The tall one?
Yeah, I got it.
Hi, beautiful ladies. And can I pay? I want to pay for the person behind me with that card. How are you? Thank you. Thank you, beautiful.
All right, and here you go.
Okay. So this is for them, right?
Yeah.
Behind me.
Yeah, I paid for the one behind you.
Yes, perfect. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Okay, surprised y'all, right? Yes, pay it forward. So I just want to just spread the light. I hope that made her smile. Did it make her smile? Oh, that's so nice. I know she was like, yes. So I just want to tell y'all, every day just try to put a smile on someone's face. Be the reason someone smiles. Okay? All right. Okay, so. Oh my goodness. So it's closed today. Okay. We'll be back. It's rainy. We don't want to be in the bushes. We be in the corn. We'll be in the corn. Thank you. We'll be in the corn. All right. She didn't want to move over. Out of mercy. All right. She was not having it, honey. Yeah, that's why they got to turn around. Tough. Okay. Idiots. People would be so nasty to you for no reason. Like, she see me turning around. Anyway. Alrighty. Look at this beautiful scenery. Oh my God. It is so beautiful out here. So, yeah, my love. So basically, I passed like a pine field. And if y'all don't know, I love the smell of pine. And I love the smell of limoncello. One of my coworkers, well, my former coworkers when I used to work in Staten Island, she put me on. It is the bomb. Yes, it smells like lemon. It's everything. So it's her favorite candle, and now it turned into mine because I love cleaning, and the smell of it, oh my goodness, it smells like everything. So I'm gonna take y'all along on this little ride. I'm gonna show you. It's so nice. Look at it. What? Get out of here. Ooh. Oh. My manifestation. I'm about to be on 1,000. Out of mercy. So yeah. I was basically earlier, I did my little Dunkin' run. I paid it forward. And I'm just taking y'all along on a ride. I would play music, but I'll probably play like that little music. Like, I have to download. If y'all watch Kyra Amonique, is that how you say her name? I think so. But anyway, Kyra. What? Out of mercy. truck. Okay, that's another big truck. Okay, I got it. There's a lot of trucks out here. That's the only down part of when you live like close to down south or whatever. It's like these trucks, they will bulldoze you. Like I was saying. I watch Kyra and she has the bomb music. And her music is not copywritten. It's like she'll have all the rap stuff. I don't really want the rap necessarily. Okay. This little I don't really want rap necessarily because that's not what my channel is about. This is not a Liddy channel. This is a high vibes channel, and rap lowers your vibrations because some of the stuff it has in there is like subliminal messages telling you, like, you know what I'm saying, you're not good enough and you should follow what this person does and all kind of nonsense. But anyway, this is the pine field. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's gorgeous pines out here. Oh my goodness, I'm so mad y'all can't see. Wait. Oh my goodness. Can you see it? Oh, you see those little ones? But it's anyway, you can't see it. And people are behind me. People out here tailgate the hello out of you. You know what word I want to say, but there's little angel ears in the car. But anywho, yeah. I have to find like a site that I could get music from because look at this. What kind of driving is this? So right? Bananas. Look at this. There's a truck in the front holding up traffic. But anywho, guys, let's just enjoy this ride. He was coming like a bat out of hell. Like, what the hell? Can't be dealing with the way people drive. Yes, you guessed it. Walmart. Yeah, hooey. Hooey, hooey. Oh, there goes my baby. Punch buggy, no punch bag. Got my license.